Hi guys. Okay, so basically today I'm going to be kind of describing how stocks work. So basically stocks are like a share in a company. That's basically buying some of the company. So now your stock is worth how much money you get back. So we're not really get back. Let's say you bought $3. Excuse my handwriting, please. You bought $3 of a company. So that company, it's value. Let's see, value rises. Now that its value rises, your share in the company rises in value. So if the value of the company were to go up by 1%, so okay, let's pull out our calculators here. If it were to go, so okay, let's take our $3 value. What you want to do is if it were to rise, then it's a plus. If it loses value, then it's a negative. So you put minus. So now you want to take 3 minus and you just put the same number on this side. Then you want to do times, and then however much percent it you want it to rise. This will kind of show you how much it will if it reaches that much percent risen. So if you get 1%, then let's use our calculators here. You just input it in the same way, except it's plus. Do not do minus. I forgot to to write the 3 with a +3 instead of the minus. So just to make sure you guys knew. So your share would now be $3.03. Now how does that work? Well, 1% of 3 is 0.3. So, like 1% of 100 is 1. Now, so 100, then so basically think of this as like 100. So here, $1, just one straight dollar. Think of this as 100. Now, you want to take, so now if you turn this into, if you erase that, hold up, let's erase some of our other work. We aren't going to need it right now. So now that we have that, what you want to do is you want to think of it. You just want to kind of increase it by that. Because 1% of 100 is 1. So that's shifting, so if you take 100 and you add 1% of 100 to itself, that's 101. Now if you take 101 and you shift it twice to the right, so there, boom, it'd be like that. It'd be 1.01, $1.01. Now, if you had quite literal $100, then if it rose by 1 cent, you'd have 101. Now, the quickest way to do this is for 1% of the company. If you have straight zeros on the other side and you have at least like maybe 5, then you're just going to take this number and you're going to put it, and you're going to exit that out, and it's going to be here. So that your number will now be here. But if it's a higher number, like 5,000, instead of that, you're going to move this 5 over to the right one. To the left, so that it'll be like that. It'll say 50-50, if that's your case. And that's kind of a brief description of how not only stocks work, but also how it kind of rises and lowers. Yeah. So, bye.